Okay, we'll be making the morning watch list now. I know over here you see NinjaTrader. However, I'm going to actually bring up Thinkorswim. I decided to go away from TradingView because just started paying for it. Didn't make sense to pay for something you can get it free right here at Thinkorswim. And that's the exact same broker I use anyway. So why jump back and forth between 3 different programs? You got Thinkorswim, you got TradingView, you got NinjaTrader. It just doesn't make sense. And TradingView is extremely expensive for no apparent reason. Maybe the community behind it, but Thinkorswim has a major community behind it. Whatever. Let's focus on our technicals at the moment. Why did I take that one? Just because I felt like taking that one. Should have just done a new one, would have been probably much easier. Anyways, that's the level I'm going for. There, just remember, swing high to swing low. We're just going to leave a slash R. Press on the right, extension, okay. Alright. So now. Ooh, sweet, you can do that. Wow. Alright, so now we're going to duplicate this drawing, move it on up there to here-ish. It's also my first time doing all of this while recording, so bear with me. And that's it. And there's our support and resistance made for now. Very clean. There's a smaller resistance area here, which I guess we could have used this as a long opportunity if we would have seen it last week, but last week we weren't really working as hard as we are this week. So therefore I'm going to go with these 3 levels, alright, on the ES. I'm just going to save this as a drawing set. That way I can always bring it back up very easily. Okay. That takes care of the ES. Now let's do the NQ. Let's forget about anything too far in the past, just because we want to make it a little bit easier since we're doing this so early in the morning. Okay, first dip was here, so I'm going to go with here, roughly, or here, yeah, about right there. Alright, first dip is there, and then we're going to go with this swing high. And then for the next one, just break, hold, swing in here, coming down a little bit, resisting, coming all the way up here, come down, come over here, coming down, about right there, Bam! Look at that. We got them all. I guess that takes care of the dailies, huh, guys? See what's going on over here. Oh. Sorry, I'm just doing the Command A, Command C. Okay, so I'm going to first start doing support and resistance on the daily charts. Boop, 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 boop. Right? And then we're going to do the same thing on the 4-hour chart. But we're going to use the daily charts example to do it. I'm not going to do any micro things, but we are going to do this. See? Bam. Having a tough time. Rejected. Rejected. Coming back up. Used it as support. Came up here. Rejected. Tried to do it again. Rejected. Still use this area as support. Because remember, it's a zone. It's not the exact level. It's just a zone. Up here. Support. Right? Going up here. There was a gap. Filled the gap. This is the area that I was forced to do it with. Here, hit all the way up, down, and all the way around. Alright, now we're also going to be doing this one here. I see this is a smaller 4-hour one that really actually did help quite a bit here. And I think that's it. I think that's what we're going to go with for the day. Just gotta have some confidence in my levels. That's it. Boom. Done. Ready to go. What's my game plan? That's my game plan. I know I'm off screen at the moment. Just loading up my Tradezilla account. Going into the daily journal for the day that is today. Alright. Go higher, tech stocks. Seem to be tired out. You now get a Santa Claus rally this year, NQ upside pivots are. Or I should say NQ pullback longs. Key pull back longs. Two nine, comma, space 20683.65 period. Ideal is an ideal long. Yeah, would be roughly right there, 20683.65. 683.65. Obviously they're doing quarters, so you guys you can do that yourself. Then the watch list. I'm actually not gonna do anything else on the watch list. I only want to trade these futures. That's it. Oh, unless I want to do SPY. I know good SPY too. Maybe SPY is some crazy easy thing, right? Crazy easy, bro. Too much going on. What is going on here? Oh, okay. That's fine. Oh, forgot about that. Forgot I did that the other day. Oh, the ES. They took care of all that, right? Let me make these ones. No, not like that. Guess that's just something I'm gonna have to remember, right? Bum, 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 bum. Alright, that takes care of all that. Let's do SPY. Well, SPX first, actually. Oh, that's what's going on. Okay, I'm on my flexible grid all of a sudden. Call personal. Let's do a 5-year 1 day. There's no shorter time? Okay, we'll do 5-year 1 day. Alrighty, this is the 20 daily SMA. Alright, this is the 50 daily SMA. This is the 100 daily SMA, and this is the 200 daily SMA. So why am I picking this one over this one? Because this one's slightly higher than the other one, right? That's why I'm picking that one. That's it. That's the only reason. Alright, so now we're going to go into time frame. That would be a shortcut for after hours. Where is it? Show high low, show logo. Da 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 da. Sometimes you just don't see it. Man, where is it? Oh dang, see now again. Better long will be here, so let's go ahead and write that down. $58.75 is the ideal long, right? Otherwise, I'm gonna do so much higher. But remember, there is a gap here to here. We'll just actually make this also a gap start. Now take care of that. Beepity boopity boppity. 30-minute chart. No, don't want to give me 180 days, really. Oops. That one. There we go. Well, I guess I really didn't need that one. Okay, so that's good. Okay. I'm also going to be using that one. See right here. Break, hold, bounce higher to that. Back down. Test, test. Back up. Back down. Test, test. Coming back down. Gonna make it there. Finally made it there. Hold it right around there. Let's see. So in order for me to take shorts here, right, what I'm going to look for is two different things. I'm going to look for one, which has already occurred, which is a lower volume. Second one, this one also has to have a lower volume and close below, hopefully, this high. That's when I want to do the ideal short on this one. And even then, I'm not looking for anything too crazy. I would be looking for somewhere in this vicinity here. 21017, so what? 20 point move. Not too bad. Running way above the daily pivots today, though. Oh no. Sorry. Check out that ES and what's going on over there. Oh, did I forget to mark this? Duplicado and right there. Put this at the 40. Psychological stuff, you know. Ooh, come on, previous all-time highs. Let's go. If that's even the case, I don't even remember anymore. Yeah, I guess so. That is the case. But we're rejecting it. Let's go. I don't know. I have no clue. I'm just making that one up as I go. Alright, here we go. Let's see what happens. This is like my ideal scenario too. Look at that. Break, 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 let's go. This one's just for fun, way down here. Hey, look at that. Stop's already true. Wait, did I even? Oh my goodness. I don't even have my correct strategy on. Boom. What happened there? I just did not have my correct strategy on. So let's fix that, shall we? Do 40. 40. 80. 160. Profit trigger will be 20 and a plus 4. Trailing stop loss will be 20. Actually, 20, so this one would be 30. I believe I did it right. I don't remember if I did it right now or not. Save as a template, do the test, save, yes, okay, do the test, save, do it again, template, test, check contracts, auto, save, okay. Well, I know it just happened, but hey, it is what it is. That's what I get for not setting things my things up properly. That's all it is. I've already missed out on my move. Now we're gonna have to wait to see what the next one holds before we go doing it. It's about a 20, what? 37? Wow. And 10 points later. I'm gonna move this off screen so I can continue doing what I'm doing. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, am I a bit salty or what? 100%. Now we're just playing the waiting game. No, man, that would have just been done right there, wouldn't it? It's crazy. Usually 10 points was all I was looking for. Oh, Joe, it's officially official. Why am I salty? You best believe I am. But that just tells you that the analysis was correct. And I'm going to be following through on my analysis. Therefore, here we are. One of those things where they say, trust the levels. That was one of those things that I need to put my trust in. That's 5 minutes. Channel 44, baby, let's go. See what happens when it gets to here, though. That's when we're gonna see if we're gonna short or do a little break and retest and long. But until then, open this thing here. Around over here. Oh, I know it's such a big difference. How do I even live with all these different screens? I don't even know, man. By the minute? Oh wow. So many different trips. No, I need to stick to one time frame. That's good. To make my life easy. Well, it looks like the gap up is kind of holding, so let's see what happens here. Actually, let me go ahead and bring in my count. There it is. Come on. Alright, so after the 96 puts, then the 90 whatever's. Yay, there we go. Right in there. Let's go. What? I got crazy rejected. Scalpy on that one, huh? Let's see what's going on in the 5-minute time frame. I'm not risking too much. I'm only risking 3 cents. So technically speaking, I could have gone even higher on my purchases, all the way up to 10. It's 4. I'm about 5. So I can risk about 5. Could have gone as high as 5 contracts. But obviously I'm not looking for a huge decrease. Because, oh, technically speaking, it is holding here. So I technically should be buying, not selling or shorting. But we have to wait and see, right? First few minutes are always very volatile. 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 Here's the issue we'll be having now. No volume, couldn't go past it. Not getting an indication. I'm coming back down a little bit. Oh, we got our ideal entry. Let's see what happens here, right? Remember the break, hold, long. Because before that, if you really think about it, I was really just kidding. So in this case, it was here, the break. Now I use the hold. Looks like it's holding. Break, look on the beautiful hold. Still have about 2 minutes left in this 5-minute candle, so. Oh, it's over here. Oh, look at that. Took our losses, called it a day. Didn't look like it was moving anywhere anyway. Of course, now we're gonna be bouncing. I want to get back in. What should we do is probably getting in here. That looks like a nasty looking rejection. Oh, it's holding. So now the real question is, alright, so there it is. Can't break it above. Can't make it up with some more volume. That's where we may have some issues. And this has a little bit less volume than this one. Waiting, just hanging out. Just waiting and hanging out. You that? The options are coming back. turrets, 2 turrets. Hmm? Nada absoluto. Oh, mas tu não.
Não vou querer. मैं देर हो गई है
अच्छा
अच्छा क्या नाश्ता करेंगे वो अंदर मुंह आया हम देर हो गई
अच्छा चलो मैं जाऊँ I will have a Z, how you say the with the thing, I guess. Oh, this is very interesting, my friends. Very interesting. Oh snaps! I missed my opportunity here. Okay, sounds good. All right, I guess I'll go take care of you, little baby boy.